Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to withdraw Temu credits. So let's find out. So let's go to Temu, and as you can see you can earn a lot of credits when you buy the items, and if you buy in large quantity you will get more credits. So we will see if we can withdraw the credits. So let's go to the profile icon here. Once you click on it, you can clearly see there's an option called credit balance, but I haven't bought anything right now from Temu, although I've bought from Shen and I have some credits there. But the thing is that you cannot even transfer these credits to anyone, so let alone withdrawing these credits to your bank account. You cannot withdraw them, but it's not like they are useless. You can use those credits and buy the things on Temu. So you cannot withdraw the credits, but you can definitely use them to buy more products. So they are not really useless. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.